Alright, so I realized that, one, it's been a long time since I've done anything like Cuban food related. Two, this is the second time I've only done anything Cuban related. And three, I thought that I did, but this is like kind of the actual way. I kind of did a doctored up version way back when I first started, when I did Cuban sandwiches. But today, we're going to do MOJO chicken street tacos on the Blackstone. So, let's get started. Alright, so I have one of the fancy like, not Vitamix mixer thingies. It's just an oyster. But anyway, so, we're going to start with the marinade. And fairly straightforward, fairly simple. In fact, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... It's like 7 things. I had to think about that for a second. But like, super simple. So, I'm gonna put 1 cup of orange juice. And you can do pulp, you can do no pulp, don't matter. It's a marinade, who cares? But you need 1 cup. Next, a 1/4 cup of olive oil. About 8 to 10, in this case, I think I did 11 because a couple were really small, but peeled garlic cloves. Then I have here 1 small onion that I kind of, not rough diced, but rough chopped, I guess. I basically quartered it and then quartered it again and bam, diced onion. But you want like chunky. 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and then about a ½ teaspoon of salt. Okay, then throw the cap on and then blend it. Marinade. Okay, then I have here some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And we're gonna pour it on in here. Okay, in the fridge for anywhere from a ½ hour to an hour, or honestly, I wouldn't go more than like 2 or 3 hours. So, see you in an hour. All right, chicken. I'm also gonna throw on some corn tortillas that we'll toast, and then once it's done, we'll top this with some cilantro, and then I found some queso fresco. To the Blackstone. Alright, so we have our chicken, we have our tortillas, and like I said, cilantro and queso fresco. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice up some chicken. Alright, let's try some tacos. Like I said, I just have some regular corn tortillas. Okay, then some queso fresco, and then some cilantro leaves. Alright, bam, let's eat. Alright. Cheers. That is not bad. It's definitely a very light taco in a sense of like seasoning. Definitely a very citrusy taco. I think maybe doing some sort of like some orange, maybe like a lemon type spiel, like a vinaigrette or something might be nice with this, just to bring it out a little bit more. You definitely get the cumin from the marinade. And the chicken's very tender, and it helps that it's chicken thighs. It's a nice bright taco, and I like it. You definitely get that strong onion and that strong garlic. Could have used maybe a little bit more salt, but for the most part, solid taco. Well guys, there you have it, MOJO chicken tacos on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!